Welcome back. Around 50% police officials are detected of diabetes and 5% of hypertension. 178 police personnel were present for the health checkup camp on Thursday. Doctors have advised the police for lifestyle modification and change in dietary habits.
तशेंच आमी फुडें एक प्लॅन केल्लो आसा की आतां जशें हेडक्वॉटरान आमी जो कॅम्प धरला तसोच एक सावथ गोवा आनी नॉर्थ गोवा इन कोलॅबोरेशन विथ मणिपाल हॉस्पिटल किंवा तांकांय स्क्रिनींग करचें किंवा म्हणजे जे तांकां येवपाक हांगासर पयस पडटा तांकां एक सेपरेट कॅम्प दवरचो असो आमी मडगांव आनी नॉर्थ गोवाक ऑर्गनायज करचें चिंतलां. आनी फुडलें म्हणल्यार तांकां पेशंटाक आमी फॉलोअपाक आपयल्लें आसा जे न्यू पेशंट म्हळ्यार आनी फुडलें येयल्या नंतर तांकां जे मेडिकेशन किंवा फुडलो ट्रिटमेंट तो दिवपाचो आसा तो आमी फुडें थरयतले.
It has been felt at the highest level that not only the cadres but also the top officials in police department should also remain physically fit, because our job is like that. If you are not physically fit, we can't withstand the pressure of the job.
Panji Police had its health checkup camp on Thursday in coordination with Manipal Hospitals. Omkar Falari and Tulsidachari for Prudent. It's a proud moment for Goan. Students of Mustafin High School won the Space Settlement Design Contest 2013 organized by NASA. They got third place for their project on colony in space. More than 600 students from all over the world had participated in the competition. Rohit Wadkar had a chat with the teenagers.
आकाशान कॉलनी जावं शकता जितूर आमी मनशां रावूं शकता काय ना हे मोठो क्वेश्चन आनी हे क्वेश्चनाचे आन्सर म्हाकाय खबर ना. म्हाका दिसता म्हाज्या वांगडा तुमकांय खबर आसचें ना. बट ह्या क्वेश्चनाचे आन्सराचेर डिबेट केले 3 भुरगे जे आसा शिकता मुस्तिफंड हाय सेकंडरींतल्यान. ते आसा अक्षय रेगे, माधव क्षीरसागर आनी सुयोग कामत. ह्या तिगांनी हाजेर डिबेट केले, हाजेर रिसर्च केले आनी ह्या रिसर्चाचेर तांच्यांनी एक प्रोजेक्ट केलो. जो प्रोजेक्ट धाडलो नॅशनल एरोनॉटिक्स अँड स्पेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशनच्या एका कॉन्टेस्टान. तो आसलो स्पेस सेटलमेंट डिझायन कॉन्टेस्ट 2013. म्हाज्या वांगडा आसा ते 3 एकदम विजनरी भुरगे हांव म्हणटा तांकां आनी हांव तांच्याच कडेन भासाभास करता आनी पळोवया हो प्रोजेक्ट तांचो कसो कितें निर्माण जालो तो.
We all have a passion and liking for astronomy. Also we had individual interests likings such as I like designing, then my friend here Madhav likes engineering aspect, and Suyog likes pure science physics. As I was surfing the net because I felt like doing a project, then I stumbled upon this competition which was organized by NASA, and after seeing what is essential, whether it is possible to do, we decided to go ahead with it.
Now we are heading into the space because all the resources of Earth are getting over. So it's like a new birth giving to human life and human beings. So to name this as Drona or drone, it creates a new Earth, or you can say a second Earth in space. That's all.
पयलीं तर स्पेसान ग्रॅविटी नासता, त्या खातीर कितेंय ते बांदप म्हणजे अर्था पेक्षा 2000 पटीन डिफिकल्ट आसा. म्हणजे अर्थार जे आमी मटेरियल यूज करता ते स्पेसान यूज करूंक जायना.
I think we should be positive and why to limit us? We should think that it is possible, and I feel it will happen one day. You already see astronauts going and performing experiments. There will be a time when such scientific advancements will occur.
वी आर स्केप्टिकल की अशा प्रकारचो प्रोजेक्ट डेफिनेटली जातलो. आय एम स्केप्टिकल. आय हॅव क्रॉस माय फिंगर्स. कॅमेरामॅन तुळशीदास चारी वांगडा रोहित वाडकर, प्रुडंट.
St. Anthony's feast was celebrated with great fervor on Tuesday. Catholic brethren celebrate the feast on 13th day of June. After 12 days of novenas on the 13th day, the feast is celebrated. At most of the places in Goa, the feast will be celebrated on Sunday.
आयज आमी जुन्याच्या 13 तारखेर ही भाग्यवंत आंतोनीची परब मनयता. 12 दीस आमी लादीन केल्या उपरांत आयज 13व्या दिसा ही परब आमी समरता. हे लादिनी जावं क्रिस्ती भाव भयणां करतात आनी आपल्याक कितें देणें फावो जालां तें भाग्यवंत आंतोनीक वाखणटात आनी आपल्याक कितें जाय पळय तें ताचे कडेन मागता. आनी शेरो तो भाग्यवंत आंतोन देवाच्या नांवान, जेजूच्या नांवान ताका दिल्या शिवाय रावचो ना. हिंगासान कपेलांत वतात, थिंगात मीस करतात आनी देवाक आर्गां दिवन येला तेच भाशेन निवडणूक काडून आमी ती मुर्ती हांगा हाडटा. आनी आतां हिंगा भायर दवरतले सांजची लादीन जायसर, आनी लादीन जाल्या उपरांत सगळ्यांनी ताचो उमो घेतल्या उपरांत ती मूर्ती आमी आहा तशी ते भितर आमी घालतले.
Finally, a sigh of relief to the devotees of Velankini. Railway Authority has granted a minute's halt for the Vasco-Velankini train at Savode-Kurchere station from 17 June. However, this is on experimental basis and decision will be reviewed within 6 months.
It was a long pending demand from the public who are residing nearby Savode, Kurchere, all those areas. They were demanding, and they held a demonstration also some 15 days back. The railway administration has taken a very positive decision to help the passengers residing nearby. You see, I'm very happy to announce that from 17th of this month onwards, there will be a 1 minute halt at Savode station, or the train number 17315, that is from Vasco to Velangani, and train number 17316, that is from Velangani to Vasco, will halt at Savode station for 1 minute. So this be continuous? No, this is timing. It is for on an experimental basis for 6 months. Then, depending upon the patronage of the train, it can be extended also.
Earlier on 27th May, residents of Kurchere Savode and neighbouring areas had blocked the Velankani train at Kurchere railway station, demanding a stop for the train at Kurchere. Suren Madkaikar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.